Today is going to be my college dorm haul. I've been watching these videos since I was probably 13, so I don't know why I was watching them. I'm just going to haul some of the things I got for college. If you don't already know, I don't know why you would, but I'm going to be a freshman at Grand Canyon University in Phoenix, and getting all this stuff for that. So the dorm situation at Grand Canyon is a little different than most places. So everything is suite style. There's no communal bathrooms. Everything is just suite style. So how it works is you can be in a double or you can be in a triple. The triple obviously is a little bit cheaper because you're not paying for the, I don't know, it's cheaper, okay. So I'm in a triple occupancy because I'm going to be broke anyway, so it's 3 girls to 1 room, then you have your own bathroom, your own closet, then you have a living area, and then 3 girls to the next room who have their own bathroom and closet. So it's 6 of you living in one area, which honestly I don't think it's gonna be bad. The dorms are pretty, not big, but I feel like they've got it figured out. Yeah, let's just go on to my haul. The first thing I got is just this white comforter because I feel like that's just super simple and it's easy to make your room look good, but also probably gonna stain it. Then I have a mattress pad because I think this is a mattress pad because dorm beds are not comfortable. And then I have these sheets. These are my sheets. I'll show you. They're really cute. They have little plants on them and just little pink detailing. They're super cute. I think they're gonna be, I mean, you're not gonna be able to see them, but I'll know, so it's okay. And then I got one of these pillows, which I'm not even really a pink person. I just like pink all of a sudden. It's super comfy and stuff, but up here you can tell my lovely dog got into this and decided she was gonna make it her own. I'm not even telling you where I got this. All of this that I've gotten so far is from Kohl's because my parents are obsessed with Kohl's Cash, and so literally all of this I've gotten for way cheaper, which is fine. Great. But it's just literally they're obsessed with Kohl's, so most of this is from Kohl's. This is also from Kohl's. I got 2 of these pillows. Fun stuff. Then I got, can you even see? Oh yeah, this white Keurig. So since I'm going to be sharing a common area with 5 other girls, we have a group chat and we're deciding who brings what. So I brought the Keurig and I got a white one for the aesthetic. Then I got this, oh my god, it's so comfy, this throw blanket. We'll do room decor. Okay, so I got this little thing at Home Goods. It's just a little white container for I can put my makeup in and stuff because I'm going to put it on my desk and just stuff like that. It's super cute, super simple, you know, just this shelf riser thing at Marshall's, so it's you can put stuff underneath it and then you can still have stuff on top. I'm probably going to put this on my desk because I'm going to need all the storage I can get because I'm sharing a room with 3 other girls, so it's kind of getting a little cramped. This basket, I don't know what I bought it for. Oh, I think I got it for I don't know, some sort of storage. And I got it from Ross for $6. We love Ross. But yeah, so it's a little basket, super cute. And then I got this planner from, I think it was, yeah, Burlington Coat Factory. It's super duper cute. It's just super simple and I just liked the outside of it pretty much. So, and then I got this little Anchor for the Soul, 366 devotions of hope and encouragement, and it's little Bible verses and stuff. I don't know, it's cute. I thought the outside was really cute and I think these will look super cute together. So I got this at Marshall's. It's a little light box and you can put letters and stuff, and I got the mini size and it was $8, and I don't know, I'm just probably gonna put something stupid on it, let's be honest, but hopefully cute. At Marshall's I got this little storage container thing. I think I'm gonna put makeup brushes and beauty blenders and that kind of thing in here, so that's also gonna go on my desk. Just realized there's a mirror in it. At Marshall's, I also got this cute little lavender plant thing. It's fake. I think it's fake. Yeah, it's fake. It has to be fake. Yeah, it's fake. Just like to like spice up my desk area. So I got this lamp from Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. It was $22. It's super cute. It's gold and white, and I just like it. It looks like, you know, the lamp where the Pixar lamp, you know what I mean? Got this to go over the toilet. So, oh, that's what my basket's for. To go over the toilet so we can like stack towels and like keep everything a little bit more organized in the bathroom. So, yeah, it's just like a 3-tier space saver. It's super cute. Gray, silver, same thing. Got towels, and I got like all these hand towels and like face towels, and then like obviously like a bath towel. These are so soft. They're yellow, and I just think they're really cute. They're also from Kohl's, but I like them a lot. They're super cute. So I got this beach towel from Ross because how the dorms work at GCU is the freshman dorms are like 4 in a square, and in the middle there's like a big swimming pool. So I was like, I need a swimming towel if I'm gonna go swimming in the swimming pool, because you know it's hot here all the time. Also, so our shower doesn't need a shower curtain, but we decided like it would probably be a good idea so someone could like go to the bathroom or get ready while someone's taking a shower. So I just got this white shower curtain from Home Goods. It's super cute. Just like white, simple. I like it. Next is like me and my mom's favorite purchase from Marshall is this laundry basket, right? To because I need to take my laundry to the laundry room, but it looks just like a laundry basket, and you're like, what? But okay, I did that wrong. I don't remember how, but it folds up into a little thing, so you can just like store it anywhere. That's amazing. I'm like obsessed with this. It's so cool. Oof. Wow. I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but I think that's the coolest thing in the whole world. Another thing I got at Home Goods was the mirror for my dorm. So my desk is most likely, my desk is where I'm most likely going to get ready. It's going to be under my bed, so I don't know how the lighting is going to be because I like to use natural light, but I don't have batteries in this right now, but when you open it up, it's like super cool, and these light up. I just don't have batteries in it right now because I need to buy those, but cool stuff. Yeah, I like that. It's super cute. Okay, so that wraps up today, my dorm haul. This isn't everything because like I still need to get a lot of stuff because it's kind of like weird to live on your own in a way. It's not really because I'm in college, but yeah, so that kind of wraps up what I got. I wouldn't take any of this as advice for what to get because I've never been to college before, so I could be overpacking or underpacking or just getting stupid stuff. But anyways, I'm probably going to be posting more back to school or more college type of videos as I'm going to be in college I move in 20 days. Wow. But yeah, like, subscribe. Okay, bye.